So I'm here with the Hoover Dual Power Max. I have a cat throw up spot again that I'm going to clean up. There's a spot there and a little spot there. I also, kitty, have a little spot here that needs to be cleaned up, so we're going to clean that up too. So, I've already put hot water in 1 cup full of solution. So to release the handle, you hit this, turn it on, you hit that. And I'm going to use the max more solution by hitting both of these at the same time. So here we go. Applying solution. And you can see 1 pass, and that cat stain is gone. It's just disappeared. So I'm going to go over for dry passes. Okay, so that one cleaned up nicely. Here's this one. Again, 1 pass. Dry passes. You gotta make sure you suck up all that water. Because if you don't, it'll start to mildew. Okay. Now let's go over to this spot. Right there. I think it's coffee. It's been there a while. And the coffee stain is gone on the first pass. That's amazing. Okay. So tell me what you think about this machine. Tell me if you're gonna get one, because I think you should really get one of these because they're not too expensive and it's lightweight. Look, that's light, and it works good. I don't recommend it if you have really short pile carpet, like in the heavily soiled carpet video I did of this. It didn't do so well in that video because the carpet pile was so low that the brushes weren't hitting it. Honestly, that's why I think if they were hitting it, it was barely anything to do anything. But for this type of carpet, you can see it works perfectly. As long as your carpet has a pile to it, it'll work good. Next, I'm going to try it on this rug, because this rug, it does have some pile to it, unlike the other heavily soiled carpet. You can see it has some pile. So I'll vacuum this really good with the Dyson. I'll make a video of that. And then I'll go over with the Hoover Dual Power Max and see how well it does. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And have a wonderful day.